Alright, today we're gonna be wrenching on the shovel head. As you guys can see, the last video, this bike didn't start. Cause my smart ass put the butterfly in wrong. After that, I got the butterfly in right, but then the freaking throttle cable went to shits. So I went ahead and got a new cable from S&S, and I was gonna install it a couple days ago, but then my freaking throttle housing took a shit on me too. So I had to order a brand new one from Speed Dealer. Pretty pricey, but figure buy it once and buy it right. Let's get to it. Ooh, made in America. So nice. So this is actually not plastic. It's I think it's billet, and it feels good. Vroom 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 vroom. This is the money maker right here. There's two versions of this one. This one I got the smooth one. Let me show you in a bit. So there's two versions, right? This one is a smooth one right here, and they have another one where it's I think it's called Neural. But yeah, same price. Look at that. So nice, dude. It feels heavy too. It feels quality right here. America. Let me tell you guys a story of how I fucked up my throttle housing. So this is my old cable. Not safe. So I went and ordered a new one from S&S. It's made for the Super E and Super G carb. And I thought it was gonna be a plug and play 15-minute job, you know? But nope. Check this out. These two threads right here are different. So I had to drill and retap my old throttle housing. And then I fucked it up. I fucked it up so bad that I can't even use it no more. So these, trash. Fuck! This is the moment of truth. Ooh! Ooh! Fuck yeah. Oh yeah. Sorta sexy. The next thing on the list is to replace the clutch rod. I had Bill made me this in a 1/2 inch, and it's a little bit too thick. As you can see, it takes away from the shifter. So I had him make me a smaller one, 1/4 inch. So I'm gonna be taking this off, replace it with this. But I'm not gonna do it today because it's about to be dinner time. Alright, see you guys next time. And then just curious, where are you guys watching from? Comment below, let me know. Almost forgot. A lot of you guys have been asking about my Z. So I'm gonna give you guys a little tour. So this is my 1972 240Z. It didn't look like this when I bought it. When I bought it, it had this crazy body kit from the 80s. Looks like Back to the Future. So I took that off, sold it, and picked up air dam and a bumper for it. The cool thing about the 72 is that it has red interior. Check that out. And then I swapped a different steering wheel on it. I think this is a race edition. Not sure, but it came with this one right here. This ugly ass one right here. Took that off, and then I tried to replace it with the original wood one, but it's still ugly. Let me show you guys the hood. What's under the hood. Ooh. This is Japanese made triples, OERs. They're not McCuneys because can't afford McCuneys. So originally the car came with SU carbs, which it had trouble starting and idling and shit like that. So I went ahead and ordered these. Took about 2 months to get here, but just look at it. Koyo rad, you know what I'm saying? Yep. It's fast. 0 to 60 in 10 minutes. And then I replace all the bulbs with LED bulbs. Can't see right now because I took out the battery. And here's my lovely girlfriend. Say hello. But yeah, it came with the body kit. It's a really ugly body kit that I took off.
I came with the body kit?
What? Stupid.